Hi, I'm Mahesh Reddy. I'm working as Java developer in Spire Group of companies. I'm going to explain intelligent economic approach for dynamic resource allocation cloud service. Many market-based resource management strategies are brought out to implement resource scheduling in cloud computing environment. More and more consumers rely on providers to supply a computing service, so economic effective became crucial device factor for the scheduling policy. An intelligent economic approach for dynamic resource allocation is proposed for improving combinatorial double auction protocol device to enable various kinds of resources trended among multiple consumers and multiple providers at the same time, enable to task partition among multiple providers. Going for the existing system, it is created the competitive market where consumer pay providers for using resource and usually built using a pay per you go model. In several resource allocation tests based on reverse auction model for allocating. The reverse batching auction is proposed for allocating various kinds of cloud resource for a different providers. Coming for the proposed system, in this paper a novel reputation system is proposed and integrated by IEDA and the free computation encouraged and truthful auction is boosted. The IEDA framework is proposed to comprehensive deal with the for emotional resource allocation challenges and agents are introduced to enable process automation. Coming to existing algorithm, artificial neural network and algorithm definitions are resource allocation and reclamation can occur anytime with the supply and demand relation varies frequently. Coming to the proposed algorithm, backpropagation neural algorithm, and the definitions are BPN based price based prediction algorithms based with the instant and historical price and non-factors consider make a bidding and ask reasonable price matching algorithms proposed determine eligible transaction list among consumers and providers. The drawbacks are fixed price based approaches, advantages dynamic proposed approaches. So applications are stock based forecasting. So coming to the hardware requirements, processor Pentium for 2.6 GHz, the RAM are 512 MB. The software requirements are front-end Java, back-end MySQL. Operating systems are Windows 7, IDE, Eclipse. The coming to the feature enhancement, feature represent the first online computer auction for the VM market in cloud computing. The advantage state-of-art of cloud auctions design is a previous visual mechanism. So one round only is simply VM into the obviously good. So the future technique are primal DB algorithm. The technique definitions are decompose the long-term optimization results of independent one-shot optimization problems. The advantages are distributed for profit, commercial advantage. Quality of service is high.